What's the meaning of city desk? City desk. City desk.
City desk. City desk. The term city desk typically refers to a department within a newspaper or media organization that is responsible for covering local news and events. This can include everything from crime and politics to community events and human interest stories. The reporters and editors who work on the city desk are often highly knowledgeable about the area they cover, and they work closely with other departments within the organization to ensure that important stories are covered in depth and with accuracy. In short, the city desk plays a crucial role in keeping local communities informed about what's happening in their neighborhoods and beyond.